Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to order from Pinduoduo in Nigeria and very easy importation business guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procuring agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Alibaba, AliExpress, or Taoba, or Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to Easy China Importation Guide. And in this video, I will show you how to order on Pinduoduo from Nigeria. So let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. Then having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for products that you want to import from China. There are so many ways by which you can do that. One of the first way is to simply come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result of that particular product. However, you can also scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up from different supplier in China on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So once you are able to cite a particular product you want to buy, next thing you need to do is to click on the product link. Like for instance, I'm going to buy this particular table right here. So what I'm going to do is to simply click on it. So having click on the product link, is going to load up just like what you see right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to check on detail about the product right here. So you can simply scroll down and then check on product detail. The more you scroll down, the more you see product graphics, just like what you see right here. Okay. Now the next thing you need to do is to make sure you go ahead and order the product. But before we can order a product on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, it is always advisable that we contact the supplier and ask them if the product is actually available in store. Okay, you can see this product here comprised of different style and different design entirely. However, not sometimes you might not see some of the design might not available in store, and as a result of that, we need to make sure we contact the supplier, because they will tell you if they have it in store before we go ahead and place the order. And for us to contact the seller, what we need to do is to click on this particular icon right here, and this chat box here is going to open up. We'll click on here to send the product link, and you're going to start chatting with the supplier right here. Now here, you need to make sure you chat with the supplier in Chinese character, because some of the supplier right here, they do not understand English language. So how do we chat with the supplier in Chinese character? So let me show you. We have to make sure we exit from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app now. Then next thing we want to do is to make sure we install Google Translate on our phone. If you are using Android phone, just go to your Google Play Store and search for Google Translate, download and install the app. And if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and search for Google Translate, download and install it on your iPhone. Once you install the Google Translate on Android or your iPhone, next thing you need to do is to click on the app to run the setup. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you set your language right here. So your primary language will be chosen from here, while it translates to Chinese tradition. Okay. Next thing we want to do is to click on enter text. So right now we simply type in hello. My friend, please, do you have these items in store? Do you have these items available in store? I want to order now. Okay. So next thing you want to do is to click on here to copy the Chinese character. Having copied the Chinese character, go ahead and paste the text right here in your Pinduoduo. Paste it right here. You can even see that the store started to chat with us right here and send your message to them. So they will reply to you as long as possible. They are typing just like what you see the indication right here. So they are typing and they will reply to our message as soon as they are available. So you can see my live chat with them right here. Now this is what they have to say. So let's simply translate this and read what the supplier have to say right here. And for us to translate, what we need to do is to make a screenshot of this particular chat again. So having made a screenshot, this time around we need to also assist from here. Now we are going to make sure we translate the screenshot, and for us to do that, I'm going to make use of Chrome browser. So click on your Chrome browser. Then click on the camera icon right here. Then go to translate, select the picture, select the actual screenshot. Then it's going to translate to whatever language you choose, just like what you see right here. Now the supplier says that, yes, what is your address? Okay. Now here, you can change your language from English to whatever country you understand. Click on that and choose another language right here. There are much more language here that you can simply translate into, just like what you see right here. But in this tutorial, I'm translating into English language. So now let's simply go back to my Pinduoduo and place order for the goods. Okay, what we want to do next is to simply click on here to go back to the store. Then we are back to the store right here. Now, how do we place order for this particular product right here? What we want to do is to simply click on here. Then it's going to take us right here. Okay. Here, you will need to choose the size you want and the quantity you want right here. Okay. So from the store right here, I need this particular one right here. I'm going to simply choose it. Having selected it, then I need to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. Having selected the style I want, then you have to make sure you have the quantity you need right here. So I need just one pieces of this particular style right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then I enter my payment password. So payment done, successful. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. And we will be back to, so next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to close this pump up. And we will be back right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to go to your profile. Then by the time you get to your profile, the product you just place order for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. You can see the table right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, Taobao, or Alibaba, or AliExpress, or 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.